Understanding the coding phase in SDLC.
The coding phase is where software begins to take shape. Developers translate design documents into actual code, creating the core functionality of the application. This step involves turning requirements and blueprints into a working product using the chosen programming languages, frameworks, and tools. It's a crucial part of the software development lifecycle, connecting planning to real, usable software.
Setting up the development environment.
Before writing code, developers set up their development environment. This often includes installing code editors, setting up version control systems like Git, and configuring databases or testing frameworks. The goal is to create a stable and efficient workspace that enables consistent code development, testing, and collaboration across the entire team.
Writing and organizing code.
Developers write source code based on design specifications. They break down the work into tasks, implement features, and structure the code for readability and maintainability. Common practices include following coding standards, using descriptive names, and dividing the project into modules or components, ensuring the software is reliable and easy to update in the future.
Collaborating and version control.
The coding is often a team effort. Developers use version control systems to manage changes, track progress, and collaborate without overwriting each other's work. Tools like Git allow teams to work on different features simultaneously, merge updates, and resolve conflicts. Regular code reviews help maintain quality and catch potential issues early.
Testing as you code.
Testing doesn't only happen at the end. Developers frequently test their code as they write using methods like unit testing or integration testing. This helps catch bugs early and ensures that each part of the software functions as intended. Continuous integration tools can automate these tests, making the process faster and more reliable.
Preparing for the next SDLC phase.
Once the coding phase is complete, developers prepare their code for the next steps in the SDLC. This includes thorough testing, documentation, and ensuring the software is ready for deployment. Clean and well-documented code helps the next teams, like testers or deployment engineers, work efficiently, contributing to a smooth software release.